The way this is applied after it's mixed and all that and diluted and all that, which I'm going to get to, is it's applied with a common pump sprayer, hand pump sprayer. I buy these at Walmart or Target, and this is how you get the material on the concrete. And then you spread it out and remove excess with a foam roller. Now they look like common paint rollers that you can buy in any home center, and sometimes those work. But in my experience over the last almost 10 years is the paint rollers you can buy at a home center, regardless of the brand, sometimes they work really well, that they're very absorbent. And that's the key, is your goal is to remove excess material. But sometimes a roller won't do anything, and you're just pushing material around. Because we don't put the material on with this, we take it off. So to solve that, I've sourced some very special foam rollers. This is a very dense, almost like a memory foam roller. It's much more consistent and reliable. And when you think about the sealer, it's the last important step. It's what you see, it's what you feel. So why not invest a little bit more money, maybe a couple dollars at most, to get the best roller you can buy to do the best job?